So, got my box in from Fabless Manufacturing for the Mark II. See what came in from them. Well, I know what came in, but like box one of what? So I ordered quite a few things here from them. Let's see here. Oh man. Wow, it's nicely packaged and everything. Hey Zanzo. So, Crossmember or rebar, whatever you guys want to call it. This is the front crossmember for the Mark II by Fabless Manufacturing. And they make some good stuff. If you guys are going to do a swap, a VR swap or 1.8T swap, or even the new 2.5 swap kit they have, this is what you guys need to get. So nicely powder coated. Let's see what's in here. Nice. This is the clutch set right here with the hose that you need, hydraulic line, hardware. There's still more in here. Looks like they try to ship everything with one box, which is smart. Save on shipping costs. Let's see what's inside this guy. Alright, so here's your clutch cylinder right here. This is the master cylinder, and then the clutch slave cylinder. Very nice, not cheap stuff. It looks like there's more, so let's keep taking it apart. Now, there's going to be a full DIY on how to install this in your guys' Mark II. Got some stickers. Oh, let's see what's over here. Well, there's more items in here. Now the nice thing about running this system from Fabless is that it's a weight reduction. So there's that. Hardware. Awesome guys providing hardware. This is what I was waiting for. This is the gas pedal bracket right here from Fabless. So you can use a drive-by-wire instead of a cable-driven gas pedal on your Mark II. Very, very nicely done, guys. Really excited for this. But this is a nice piece of hardware. This is actually what mounts underneath your, pretty much on your subframe, and you're actually on your frame. And what's nice about this, shit. So what's nice about this bar, it is a lot lighter than your factory bar here. I mean, this weighs really, really nothing in comparison to using the factory stuff. So that already is a win, which is really cool. They also provide pretty much the mount here, and this actually is for your starter bracket right here, which is dope because this helps give you a better mounting setup for your Mark II. Instead of using the G16 front mount, this is actually a much better option or alternative, because it actually has a bushing instead of a solid mount, so it absorbs a lot of the vibration. I'm very, very impressed with the workmanship on this already, and I haven't even installed it yet. So I can't wait to get to doing a DIY on this whole front end very, very soon, and doing the clutch system as well. So thanks again, Fabless, for an awesome job. Appreciate it. Peace out. So just unboxed the Fabless kit, and I got my master slave cylinder clutch, my gas pedal adapter, my front motor mount, got the actual whole bar here from Fabless Manufacturing, and I got the rest of the clutch adapter kit here. So I'm super excited to get this going as soon as possible once it's all taken care of. So thanks to everybody at Fabless Manufacturing for providing an awesome kit, and you can't wait to start making DIYs for this very soon. So thanks again, guys. Appreciate it. Peace out.